Welcome to Explore Travel TV. My name is David L. Peters, and welcome to another episode of Explore Vegas. I am at another casino that's not on the Strip and not downtown. It's called the Red Rock Casino, kind of like the Red Rock Canyon video I posted. I'll put it up there in the corner so you can look at that. But this is a casino here and bowling alley. Of course, I'm gonna check out the bowling alley. We're gonna go bowling, and we're gonna check out this casino to see what they have to offer. So if you like travel tips, tricks, and exploring Vegas, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified when I upload more videos. Let's go check out Red Rock Casino and bowling alley. Let's go. The Red Rock Casino is part of the Stations Casinos Company. They have 19 locations in the greater Las Vegas Valley. They have their Play It Safe program with temperature checks as soon as you come in, hand sanitizers everywhere in the building. They have plenty of your favorite slot machines available, and they have taken out many seats to maintain that social distancing. You will find lots of dining options available, with 3 fine dining restaurants and some with some beautiful outdoor seating. Six casual dining restaurants, including the Feast Buffet, which is temporarily closed. They have a large food court area with many options for every craving. And of course, a Starbucks. Okay, so we decided to have a meal here, and we stopped at Lucille's Barbecue. We've had that before. Really good place. I want to show you something. This is a half order of onion straws. Take a look. Okay, we just got our food. We got this nice little platter. It's like a 3-meat platter. It's definitely enough for 2 or 3 or 4 people. This is good stuff. We got the turkey, baby back ribs, a half rack, and barbecue chicken, coleslaw and beans. Pretty good stuff. The beans are a little spicy, and everything else good. And also the half order of the onion things. Plenty of food. We're gonna eat some of it and take a lot of it home. So from the Lucille's at Red Rock Casino, good stuff. They have several lounges and bars available with VIP seating, bottle service, and live entertainment for your enjoyment. There is a Regal movie theater, a Kids Quest and Cyber Quest for the kids. They have all your standard gambling fare like a poker room, sports and race book with a 96-foot viewing wall, Keno, and a bingo hall. And of course, slot machines. Lots of slot machines. And one of my favorite parts of the casino is the Red Rock Bowling Alley. They have 60 lanes of regular lanes and 12 private VIP suite lanes. You can reserve those for private parties. They have a small arcade, darts, pool tables, and bar. And several food options available, and don't forget the pro shop. Okay, I'm here at the Red Rock Casino's bowling alley, and I'm gonna throw 3 games, and we're gonna see how we do this time. Okay, well, the first game actually was not too bad at a 205. That beats my average, and kind of a warm-up game. It's not too bad. So I'm going to do 2 more games, and we'll see how those go. Maybe I'll do this on time lapse because, it'll take too long. So anyways, stay tuned. Let's bowl some more. Okay, 198 is not too bad for the last game. Pretty good average so far for bowling here, not too bad. Let's continue on with the rest of the casino and see what they have to offer, as well as the bowling alley, and go from there. Having fun. You having fun? Come on, let's go. The Sandbar Pool is only available for hotel guests at the moment, but you can rent private cabanas, plush daybeds, chairside service, and even gamble poolside. There's a bar and grill, and they play music as well. There were lots of people out enjoying the sun, relaxing, and having a good time. Thank you for watching another episode of Explore Vegas. Please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like this content.